Hello, thank you for watching this video. We are launching a video series to explain the environmental factors of Fiberroad Industrial Switches testing, such as electrostatic charges, surge testing, and high and low temperature testing. This video starts with a surge protection test for the power supply of industrial switches. Why is surge protection important for industrial switches? Without surge protection, a single power surge can cause massive damage to the switches and any equipment connected to them, leading to costly repairs or replacements. With surge protection, you can rest assured that your industrial switches are safeguarded against common causes of power surges, such as lightning strikes, electrical overload, power outages, and poor wiring. Let me briefly introduce the instruments and link methods used in testing. In this video, we showcase our company's IEC 61004-5 surge test equipment and explain the importance of lighting surge testing in the industrial Ethernet power supply. Our team is dedicated to providing high-quality products and services that meet industry standards, ensuring reliable and safe operation for your business. In the next video, we will show the surge protection test on the copper port of the industrial switch. Stay tuned for our YouTube channel.